So this is his new invention.
Ooh.
I call it the Drillmatic.
Ooh.
Explain to us what it
Yeah.
does.
So this thing, it can turn on, drill. The lights can turn on and off. It can put in inward or outward or face any direction that you want it to. Using that controller joystick, you can make it do anything.
Ooh.
Does anybody have questions?
No thanks. Oh god, too
Wait,
quick.
come up.
Box. What up?
Is there any chance of
Ask
this
him a
malfunctioning
question.
and killing anyone? Is there any chance of this malfunctioning and killing someone?
There's a 0% chance. I know that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get off stage! Get off stage! Get off the stage! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Did he kill him? Did he kill him?
I think he's dead.
Oh my god, no!
Hey, dude, why'd you bump into me?
Shut up!
Let's fight it then. Come on.
I bet.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh.
Come on, get over here. Oh. Come on.
Please stop!
Hey, stop fighting.
Ah!
Taser.
I am gonna remake that thing though.
Hey, you got bailed out. Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay. Yo, good.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Man,
I need you for something.
Okay.
Where'd they go?
Since I bailed you out, I need you to do a favor for me.
Okay, sure.
I need you to assassinate somebody.
What? No, are you crazy? Okay, fine, I'll do it, okay. It's okay. Fine.
He has done some bad things.
Okay.
I'll show you the information when you get there.
Okay.
Who?
It's
This
the
is your
tiger.
guy.
The tiger?
Boring, bro. Have you heard? They're
Yes.
making and then
Here's the information about
bro,
him.
The hantavirus going on in school.
Jeez.
COVID 2020.
That's
Mhm.
terrible.
Take the shot.
Horrible. Oh.
Wait, what?
You're under arrest. Get on the ground. This is your wanted level now.
Whoa, is that 12 zeros?
No, that's 13.
13? What?
No, actually that's 15.
What? There's no way. I killed a cop. What?
Now I need you to assassinate one more person.
Okay.
These are his stats. Way more dangerous than the last guy.
Okay. Got it. It's the other guy?
Yes, the yellow guy.
He has a gun! Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot!
Oh, I missed.
Take the shot, quick, before he kills anybody.
Oh my god! How many she's?
I think he's dead. I can leave?
You can leave.
Yes.
She's.
I think he's dead. Yeah. Pretty much. Oh.
Hey guys, that's it for today's Animal Company movie. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. I think that's it for this series. And thank you for 3.49k subs. I really appreciate it. I didn't do a 3k special, but I hope you guys enjoy today's Animal Kingdom movie, and I'll see you next time. Bye.